Bolangir police in Odisha on Saturday busted a cough syrup smuggling racket under Torekela police station limits. Acting on a tip-off, the police intercepted a truck with some suspicious activity and movement in the area. The police team questioned the driver, who was found to be from Karnataka. During the raid, they discovered several cartons of cough syrup loaded on the back of the truck. According to sources, the police seized 90 cartons with around 14,400 cough syrup bottles inside them. The estimated worth of the cough syrup is around Rs 20 lakhs. Police also seized Rs 13,000 cash and some narcotic pills from their possession. Following an investigation, police discovered that the miscreants were allegedly involved in adulterating the cough syrups by adding drugs to them. Bolangir police has taken 2 persons into custody, including the driver of the truck.
आमर वेरी कॉम्पिटेंट तुरेकेला आईसी और कंटाबांजी आईसी जॉइंट ऑपरेशन रे तांकर जेहेतु इंटेलिजेंस स्ट्रांग अच्छी इंटेलिजेंस उपरे गोटे गाड़ी धराई जो गाड़ी सस्पिशियस एक्टिविटी थिला जो निशा कारबार करुछंती किछि लोकल लोकंक सहित मिसिकी से रेड हैंडेड धरी छंती और ताकू टिके इन्वेस्टिगेट करिला परे जना पड़ी कि विपुल मात्रा रे माने लक्षे लक्षे टंकार ये माने कप सिरप ये जो आनी छंती बाहर स्टेट रु और एठी ताकू एज अ ड्रग होली बिक्री करुछन।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, OTV न्यूज़।